Okay, so next I'm planning out my monitors and control panels, which I am putting some here, okay, and just planning that out, and then some of them going inside. So in here we're going to have the 120 volt panel, and also my Wii Boost will go up here too. So some of them will be facing inwards, some parts will be sitting here, so that's what I'm up to right now. Hi, I'm Candace. I'm a lover of mountains and meditation and have decided to minimize my life, buy a Sprinter van and convert it into a tiny home on wheels. Having a background in interior design, I'm going to give you my tips, views and experience on design and how to project manage your conversion whilst being a total novice at doing the actual build. Alright, so my monitors are mounted. This will be the inverter on-off switch, just here. This is the Victron battery monitor. As you can see, I'm at 100% battery. This is the diesel heater. Okay, it's not mounted yet because I need to do a few things, but it's through the wall. Up in there is the 120 volt panel, and I'll show you the reason why it's up there. There's a lot more access back in here for me to do the wiring. There is the Wii Boost, and this is the back of things. Okay, so that's the back of various bits and pieces. And then this is the Renogy BT2 Wi-Fi, and that's all connected to the DC-DC charger and solid charge controller. And this is what that shows me. Okay. So I can go over that a bit later. At the moment it's just showing that it's working, and showing my house batteries at 14.4 volts, my SATA battery at 13 volts, and yeah, it's not actually picking up any of the charging because it's not doing that right now.